Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, premium brakes. Come take a test drive today.